Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the true formula in Google Sheets and why it's such a handy tool to keep in your spreadsheet toolkit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand what the formula equals true actually does, but also how to use it in real situations like tracking tasks or organizing projects. So let's jump right in. So first things first, what does equals true actually mean? Whenever you type equals true into a cell in Google Sheets and hit enter, all it does is return the Boolean value true. And that might sound simple, in fact it is, but just like a light switch with only two positions on or off, true is one half of a very important pair with false. Boolean values like true and false are at the heart of how Google Sheets handles logical decisions, especially when you run tests, use conditional formatting, set up checkboxes, or build formulas with if, and, or, and more. Anytime you want Google Sheets to make a decision for you, is this done? Did this meet my condition? It's working with true or false behind the scenes. Let's see this in action with a sample task list. Imagine you've got a list of tasks to track, maybe you're managing a small project or just a busy week at work. We'll create 3 tasks in column A: submit report, email manager, and finalize slides. Next to those, in column B, we want a simple way to mark whether we're done or not. In comes the mighty checkbox. Checkboxes are the friendliest way to visually show true or false, checked for true, unchecked for false. To add our checkboxes, go ahead and select cells B2 through B4 that's right next to your tasks. Now head up to the menu and click on Insert, then choose Checkbox from the dropdown. You'll see checkboxes appear instantly. Here's the neat part: when you check one, that cell's value automatically becomes true. Uncheck it and you've got false. It's so satisfying, it's like flipping that light switch I mentioned earlier. Now let's make things really smart. Let's say you want the spreadsheet to tell you if a task is complete or still pending based on whether the box is checked. We're going to do this in column C in cell C2. Type out this formula: equals if B2 equals true, complete, pending. What's happening here is straightforward but powerful. The if function checks if cell B2 is true. In other words, if the checkbox is checked. If it is, it displays complete. If not, it says pending. This gives you immediate feedback on your progress without any manual sorting or guesswork. After you've entered the formula in C2, hover over the little square in the corner of the cell, click, and drag that formula down to cells C3 and C4. Now each task line will automatically update based on the checkbox beside it. Super handy for project tracking or even your daily to-do list. And there you have it. Not only have you learned how to use the true formula directly, but you've also seen how it connects with checkboxes and the if function for practical, real-world organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.